Like worst part about adulthood, you just wake up randomly at night scared. रात को 3 बजे आँख खुलता है, गान फटने लगता है, क्यों क्या मालूम. I swear, just get weird thoughts. What if मैं आपसे 1 भी रुपया नहीं कमाया तो? ये लोग सब ले लेंगे, कौन क्या मालूम. अभी सब चले जाएगा, किधर क्या मालूम. I swear, पानी पी रहा हूँ, प्यास बुझ ही नहीं रहा है, क्यों? क्योंकि लगा ही नहीं था. I swear, the thought that मैं कभी भी भिखारी बन जाऊंगा ना, is so real for me. कल भिखारी बन जाऊंगा मैं. And I ask myself, why does it happen? And that is because of my upbringing. Like the way my mother raised me, she was like, either you will become best possible outcome or the worst. Like for example, जब 10th standard exam आया, she like पढ़, नहीं पढ़ा तो भिखारी बन जाएगा. ये क्या कोई मिडिल ग्राउंड नहीं है क्या? ये क्या अंबानी या भिखारी? कोई तो अर्टिगा चला रहा ना. Like my mother will always ask me bizarre questions. She's like, what will happen to you if you become a beggar? What will happen to me? What will happen to you? Because if I become a beggar, you're also in the queue. दुनिया में कोई भी माँ नहीं जिसका बेटा भीख मांग रहा है और खुद स्प्लिट एसी लगे 3 BH में सोई है. This is me. Yeah. But I don't believe in therapy and all. Because I feel ना पूरा ठीक करता है ना पूरा पागल होने देता है. सबको सिर्फ बोरिंग बना के रखती है. Because I feel you tell them anything, they want to point out to your childhood. Like I told my therapist, you know, I smoke a lot. And I feel like, you know, I really can't stop doing things. And she's like, yeah, maybe when you were small, yeah, I was smoking then also. अब क्या करूँ मैं? That's why to have a solution, I found this self-help tool, which is called having a happiness jar. Do you all know about it? No? Awesome. It is basically, it's like a fish bowl, okay, transparent, and it comes with small booklet, जिसमें chits होते हैं. The whole idea is, every time something nice happens in your life, that brings you happiness, you write it in the chit, and you fold it, and you put it in the jar. And when you're sad, you remove the chit, you read it, and you feel happy. Awesome in theory. But does it deliver in practice? I didn't think it would, because I feel इसका fundamental flaw है. क्योंकि जब तू खुश है, you should just be खुश. Because if you're happy and you realize that you're happy, it's gone. Let's say बहन का शादी है, नाच है, yes, एक से लिख देता हूँ यार. Then it's gone. But I was like, no, I'll give it a sincere try. Let's just do it, commit hard. वो जार लिया, खिड़की के पास रख दिया. I was like, every time something nice happens to me, I'll put it down. 1 हफ्ता हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ. 2 हफ्ता हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ. पहला जिंदगी में सिर्फ दुख था. अभी दुख का फिजिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन है घर पे. ये सच्ची में कुछ नहीं होता यार. But I have a nephew now who's there. So kids nowadays are so weird. Right? He tells me like such weird things like, uncle, do you know parallel lines meet at infinity? I was like, what? He's like, yeah, you cannot prove that parallel lines at infinity don't meet. I was like, yeah. He's like, which means you cannot not prove also that they not meet. I'm like, तू भी बचपन से स्मोकिंग चालू कर दिया क्या? But like recently, I went to Europe because I got visa. It's so hard to get, like they make you submit so many documents, right? Like you have to submit 3 months bank statement, और अभी यूपीआई की वजह से सब लिख कर आता उस पे 15 रुपए का अमूल मस्ती, 20 रुपए का लेज मैजिक मसाला. The thing is, you just have to prove them that you'll come back, which I feel is self-explained. Because check-in luggage allowed is only 23 kilos. कौन सा इंडियन अपना देश 23 किलो में छोड़ के जा सकता है? यहाँ पे आंटी लोग डीमार्ट से 40 किलो लेके आ रहे हैं. This was my first time leaving India. I knew there was immigration, which, by the way, immigration is just them checking what they have given you is what they have given you. Like you go there, they again check. Okay. I wanted to go to Germany. At Mumbai airport, he asked me for passport. And I gave it to him. He checked my visa and he's like, where are you going? I was like, what is this? A memory test? याद है क्या किधर जा रहा है? So I said Germany. He said, okay, go. Now I am in Germany. The lady there at immigration asked me the same question again. She's like, where do you want to go? Where do I want to go? This is me already gone. This is me arrived. Where do I go? I sit at home a lot. So one day I just went down और बिल्डिंग के बच्चे लोग क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे, ठीक है, और मैं देख रहा था और एक जने 6 मार दिया और बॉल ऐसा थोड़ा रूफ के उधर गया. तो एक बच्चा बोला, अंकल अंकल बॉल निकल के दो ना. ऐसे अंकल तेरी माँ की. And he said thank you uncle. मैं सर क्या बोला? Thank you uncle. तुमने चिट निकाला लिख दिया. बच्चे ने बोला थैंक यू. Felt awesome. और जार में डाल दिया. मजा आ गया. I'm like आज कुछ काम हो गया. Let's build on this momentum. बिल्डिंग के बाहर गया, एक अंधा आदमी था, रोड क्रॉस करके दे दिया. He said thank you बेटा, shut up. चिट निकाला, लिख दिया और जार में डाल दिया. अभी प्रॉब्लम है, टू चेक इफ द जार वर्क्स आई नीड टू बी इन अ बैड मूड. बट अभी मेरा मूड बहुत मस्त है. सो हाउ विल आई चेक? माय फेस इज जस्ट लाइक, my face is like that face which people put on a coffee mug they gift you. You know, which is I feel one of the worst gifts ever. Right? Like they take coffee mug, they put a picture of you only. And they're like, pee. And do they select a normal picture ever? No. They select a picture of you from your highest point in your life. So every day you are reminded that you'll never be this happy. And I swear, like, coffee mug, very bad gift, but I still feel one of the worst gift is dinner set. क्या वो? मेरे को तो लगता है दुनिया में 3 ही डिनर सेट है जो रोटेशन में घूम रहे हैं. मेरे को लगता है उन्होंने आखिरी डिनर से ऐसा 1972 में बना दिया है. And it's like कोई खोल तो नहीं रहा है. So I think this is what I'm gonna do next time I get a dinner set. I'm gonna remove the utensils from it and replace it with my old one. और क्या घुमाते रहो. What happens? Nothing. वो फैमिली में घूमता ही रहेगा. Unless 300 साल बाद मेरा एक पर पोता खुल के देखेगा, प्लेयर से दादा क्या मादर जानता है यार, इसमें अभी तक दाल लगा हुआ है. But I feel like but I feel the best gift to give anyone, which you guys can also agree, is cash. Cash as a gift is so good, people convert other gifts to cash. Dinner set भेज दे. Iron मिला ये भी भेज दे. Like my grandmother that day gave me 3,000 rupees for my birthday. She asked me, what did you get? What did I get? I paid my electricity bill. She said, but you didn't get anything for yourself. I got my meter box back from Adani. Because I took it when I didn't pay my bill for 3 months. But some shows are good, some shows are bad. This I feel is pretty good. Just the bad shows. The worst thing about bad shows, you don't even think they are bad until they happen. Like I got once an inquiry. They're like, Joel, come perform at a cruise in Goa. I'm thinking multi-layer cruise. तो मैं बीच के उधर क्या whatever it's called dock or whatever, and I'm going there और एक ऐसा छोटा लकड़े का बोट आता है. And in my head I think, oh, the big ship cannot come to the shore, so this will take me to that. Yeah, it did take me near to that ship, but not, I didn't go there. It was so bizarre. Like this was like a corporate show, and there were 100 people over there, and I was like, okay, this is already bizarre to perform in the middle of the ocean. But usually, I'm used to performing stand-up, where before me is also a comedian, after me is also a comedian. Here before me, there were 2 Russian dancers, and what they do is, during the performance, they take everyone from the audience and start putting vodka into their mouth. And they are killing it. Then she sees me, thinks I'm also the audience, pulls me and starts pouring vodka in my mouth. And the party is peaking. Volume 100 pe, sab log maza kar rahe. Suddenly the DJ goes from 100 to 0. And he's like, everybody take a seat. A comedian from Bombay has come. And the whole party is destroyed. Everybody's like, कौन आया है यार बॉम्बे का comedian? मैं खुद सोचा बहन कौन आया है बॉम्बे का comedian? Now I have to perform to 100 people who hate me. I swear, I'm just over there waiting to finish my set. I had to do 45 minutes. Right? And after every joke, 3 people would leave. By the end of my set, only 5 people were left, which should have been completely fine. But हम लोग समुद्र के बीच में तुम लोग जा किधर रहे हो? Man, I returned back to Bombay. I was so sad. I was like, fuck, how do I get over this? I'm like, fuck yeah. I have this jar. I have this happiness jar with me. यही मौका है to check if this works or no. jar ले लिया, पहला चिट खोला, बच्चे ने बोला thank you. छी, इससे मुंह ठीक करना पड़ेगा अभी. बुरा लगने लग गया. दूसरा चिट खोला, अंकल ने बोला thank you. That's when I realized I made a mistake. Because I felt I made the mistake of trying to get happiness from universal happiness, which would not apply to you. I realized I have to make it very specific, right? And do things that make me happy. So I jar ko thoda edit karke likh diya, real happiness jar. Where I'll do things that definitely make me happy. नीचे गया, बच्चे लोग क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, बॉल आया, काट दिया. अभी मजा आया ना. बाहर गया, अंधा आदमी था, उसने बोला रोड क्रॉस करके देना. मैंने बोला नहीं. उसने बोला क्यों? मतलब इसी तरफ चलते जा, इन्फिनिटी पे क्रॉस हो जाएगा. Thank you guys, that's been the end of my time. Thank you so much for coming. That's been the end of the show. Please clap for all the comedians who come up on stage. Give it up for Uruj Ashfaq, Shashwat Maheshwari, Siddharth Dudeja, Nivedita Prakasam. My name is Joel D'Souza. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.